Very good afternoon, friends. Myself, Dr. Priti Dhaneshwar Rao Diwan from J.D. Patil Samrutkar Mahavidyalaya, Daryapur. There I am working at Department of Zoology, and here I am to create a general awareness on the COVID. This COVID virus, the name CO stand for the corona, VI stand for the virus, and D stand for the December month and 19 for the year. So this COVID virus comes under the category of SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome virus family. First time it is observed in the Wuhan of China in late December, showing the symptoms of pneumonia. How get it transfer from China to the various countries? It's only because of the travelers which are traveling among the various countries, and they are spreading the disease from one country to another country, and now it globally gets spread. How it gets spread, or what are the meanings of spreading? So mean of spreading is not at all air, it's a droplet. When it get formed during the talking, coughing and sneezing, and these droplets are responsible for transmission of virus from one person to healthy person to the infected person. So symptoms, at the most of the people doesn't show symptoms because of the high immunity power, but it get developed after the 14 days. 14 days is the incubation time of this virus. These may show the following symptoms such as fever, cough, sore throat, then fatigue, shortness of the breath, sudden loss and smell and taste, headache, muscle ache and diarrhea. These are the common symptoms found in the corona patient. Diagnosis and treatment, it get diagnosed from the throat swab, or it may also get diagnosed from the blood test. Treatment, as up till now there is no treatment for the coronavirus. Vaccines are also under development, but we can take a medication according to our symptoms to reduce that effect, such as to recover the fever or to recover the pain. So what should we do to prevent the coronavirus? We should maintain a good hygiene. Wash your hands frequently with the soap and water. You can use alcohol based sanitizer. If it is not available, soap is also good disinfectant. Cover your mouth with the mask while sneezing and while coughing, even if while going outside the home. You should avoid the exposure, means you should avoid to go in the public or social places. If you are going, you should maintain the distance of around 3 to 6 feet in between the two people. If it is possible, you should work from the home, and if it is not essential, avoid the non-essential traveling. Avoid the exposure. You should not expose the affected area such as hospitals and crowded places. Then these are the common, or these are the some basic. Good morning, friends. Today we will see how to protect yourself from coronavirus. Means these are the preventive measures. First of all, you should maintain a social distancing. Around you should have 1 to 2 meter distance among yourself whenever you are visiting a public place or a social place. Second preventive measure is wear a mask. You should wear a mask of cloth, or ready-made masks are also available in the market, to cover your face and mouth, so as to have a less exposure in the public places. Third preventive measure is avoid touching your faces, as this virus can be live on the hands and other surface for some time. So to avoid this entry of virus through the hands or anything, so you should avoid to touch a face Then don't travel in the sick. If you are having a sickness, or if you are feeling weak, or if you are having any symptoms of the corona, don't go in the public places and avoid the traveling. Then next preventive measure is avoid to go or visit in the crowded places. Government is already have shown the or have put on the lockdown period. So you should follow this lockdown period strictly. Next preventive measure is washing of the hands frequently. So you can rinse the hand with sanitizer, alcohol based sanitizer, or you can use simply soap and water. Then do mindful when eating. Be mindful when eating. Means whenever you are eating, you have to take the food which will increase your immune system. So properly cooked food you can take. Next preventive measure is avoid contact with the animals. Stay away from the pet animals. These are the 8-9 preventive measures which will protect you from the coronavirus. Today we will see here the structure of coronavirus. The coronavirus's structure and its details. Coronaviruses are large, roughly spherical particles with bulbous surface projections. See here, the bulbous projection is there on its surface. The average diameter of the virus particle is around 125 nm, that is 125 μm. The diameter of the envelope is around 85 nm, and the spikes, here the projection, that are nothing but the spikes. So spikes are of around 20 nm long. The envelope of the virus is electron micrograph appears as the distance pair of electron dense shell. So here the spikes are present all over the surface, which are made up of glycoprotein. So if we see the envelope, means biochemical structure or consistence of the envelope, it is having a lipid bilayer in which the membrane, M, and envelope and spike and proteins are present. So if you see this envelope, it consists of lipid bilayer, then it is having a envelope, it is having a membrane, and it is having also a structural proteins. So here the lipid bilayer is around present, or electron microscopic structure shows the lipid bilayer, and it is having around 74 structural spikes. Here the spikes projections are there, it is around 74 on the surface. So also have a shorter spikes like structure called as hemagglutinin esterase. This one small bluish color structure, it is called as hemagglutinin esterase. So this is the overall structure of coronavirus. Till now we have seen many things about the corona prevention and awareness. Now I am going to show you the government has given us many sites to have a more correct information, such as Arogya Setu site or app for the mobile phones and another devices, as well as if you want a detailed information about the corona patient all over the globe, you can visit the site WHO. So what you have to do, you have to go on Google, search for Arogya Setu app, click on this, will have this Arogya Setu app. This is also available on the Google Play, or you can download it from the desktop. Click on this. So here in my computer it is already installed. You will have an option of installation. So if you click this app, it is going to be installed in my computer. It may take some time. Another app you can visit, that is for the information, that is WHO, World Health Organization. It is an official website which will provide us a corona disease update. Click on this and you will get a country wise and detail whatever you want. Here the detailed information is provided.